Hello everybody, welcome back to Basics. So today I'll show you how to fix one of the Lowrance FishHunter. It's 3D Pro Edition. The problem I had with these ones is that a year or two after you buy them, the battery won't last anymore. So the symptoms are that when you charge it, at the end, it does not blink green. So usually the battery should blink green when you start charging it. But the problem appears when you see this red lighting, and it always appears red. Okay, that's when you know that the battery is basically dead. It will last for, let's say, a few minutes, but not more than that. So if you were wondering if you can fix this, I have found a way. I have fixed one of my previous sonars because I have two of these, and I replaced the battery on it. Okay, so in order to open it, you have to your finger and just unscrew it. Okay, try to unscrew it. It's really hard at the beginning. Hopefully it will work. But you need to put some kind of rug on your finger, otherwise it will just put a hole in your finger. Okay, so it's really hard at the beginning, but this one moved a centimeter, like it was here when I first started, and gently it will slowly start to push its way. But if your palms are sweaty, you won't be able to. Okay, so see, it goes. It went a little bit further. It goes, but it goes slowly. So just keep going at it, and eventually it will budge. Okay. Okay, just a little bit more it budged. From what I remember, I did change it, but I changed. Okay, I feel it's going. Yep. Here we go, guys. Okay, it moved. Okay, so when you unscrew it, here you go. See, so it has those small, really small fillets. Now you're going to need a star screwdriver to unscrew these bolts. I'll show you that. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So this is the star tip. It's quite small. This is the type of screwdriver you're going to need. So it's quite small. Okay. Okay, never mind. So unscrew the bolts. Now gently lift up, okay, because directly up. It has these pins which go down, okay. Let's put this one aside. And has an additional 1, 2, 3, 4 volts here, as you can see. One is here, and another 3 here. Three of them on one side are really small. The ones here are screwed directly into metal. You see, they are metal screws, and the fourth one is plastic screw. Gently lift it up. Damn, boy, I replaced it. Okay, so surprise, surprise. I'm not sure what the issue is on this one because apparently I've already replaced the battery. You can see that this one is being replaced by this. I also bought a new one just in case. So the old battery, when they die out, they get swollen up. So they won't look like this new one. I can replace it by itself also. So this is what you need, just so you know what to replace. Okay, this is what goes in. Okay, so we're going to need to replace one of these. It's a 1000 milliamp battery at 3.7 volts. 1000 milliamps. So okay, 3.7 volts. So the problem that I'm facing right now is that I'm not sure why this new it's 11,000 milliamps. So I want a little bit above, but I'm going to test it out. I think it will work, and maybe the battery is charged, but it just shows that it's not fully charged. Might be a different issue. So the only thing that you need to do when your battery is dead, you just take out that old battery, connect to the circuit, connected to the circuit, just glue it on there, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, so now after you put the legs, you can see it does its startup sequence. So the battery is charged. So it was just an error on my side, maybe a software error, because I will try to charge it with a fast charging charger, because that will put more voltage into it. Maybe because the battery is a little bit bigger than the standard one from the factory. The factory one was 800 milliamps at 3.7 volts, and I put in 1000 milliamps. So it's a little bit bigger than the one from the factory. And in my second sonar, I have a battery of 1200 milliamp hours. So it's even bigger, but the problem with that one is that it's a little bit heavier. So your sonar will sink an additional 1 centimeter into the water. You need to take that into consideration. Because being below the water, it's a little bit heavier, it's below the water, and the signal from this antenna right here, this is the Wi-Fi signal, will be poorer. Okay, so when you have high waves, you won't have such good signal. Okay, now let's just put it back. I think I've put everything back. Tighten the screws, because you can hit the rocks with it. Make sure they're tight. I'm telling you that because I've hit many rocks with it when you're on mountain lakes. These things are quite robust, I would say. Okay, and when you tighten it, make sure to tighten back as it was. There you go. That's watertight. Hopefully we won't need to unscrew it again because I've tightened it even harder than the last time. Okay, so thumbs up if you liked it, if you find it useful, and see you in the next guy. See you in the next one. Okay, so surprise, surprise. So I thought that we have a red light because and it does not charge. This is the one with the battery replaced. So because I've screwed it a little bit too tight, this should have been on this white part. If I change it to the side, you can see that that LED is green, but because it's blowing through the red plastic, I thought it was a red light and it didn't charge properly. So it's actually a good battery and the indicator is good. Just when you tighten it up, make sure you don't over tighten it like I did. So look, at the end of the, because it's being charged right now, I mean it's in the plug, okay, so it's fully charged and you can see the LED. In fact, just dump it. See, it's the green LED, so it's fully charged. So we're good, guys. If you just replace the battery, it needs to be 1000 milliamp battery. Just make sure the dimensions are correct and you're good to go.